take this opportunity to speak very briefly about the historic association of Aitchison College with the armed forces. After independence, sir, from the first PMA till date, we've had Aitchisonians join the armed forces almost every year. Many did exceptionally well, rising to the highest rank in military service. So we're truly proud of our legacy at Aitchison College and our association with the army.
इस तरह के सेशंस जो हैं वो हमारे एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन में होने चाहिए। उसकी रीज़न ये है कि आजकल जो सोशल मीडिया का दौर है और सोशल मीडिया में बच्चों के हाथ में जो मोबाइल्स हैं, इवन दे आर अनेबल, वो इतने मैच्योर नहीं है कि उनको पता चले कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन सही है, ये गलत है। तो मेरे ख्याल में इस तरह के सेशन से बच्चों के ना सिर्फ माइंड्स क्लियर होते हैं बल्कि उनको एक क्लियर जो है वो रोड मैप भी मिलता है कि हमारी कंट्री में इन रियल सेंस क्या हो रहा है।
They really loved this session. They asked so many questions, and to be very honest, when we asked the we requested the boys so that we are closing the session, there were few hands again raising to ask certain questions. So overall it was a very engaging session, and I believe that these kind of interactions with public, with civilians, especially the young minds, can make a huge difference.
जो आज का सेशन था DGISPR साहब का, वो बड़ा ज़बरदस्त था और इससे बहुत सारे हमारे जो यंग बच्चे हैं, यंगर जनरेशन के लिए बहुत सारे उनके जो क्वेश्चन थे वो क्लियर हो गए। उनके ज़हन में जो डिफरेंट किस्म के मिसकंसेप्शन थे वो क्लियर हो गए।
I'm here at the presentation by DGISPR, General Sharif. It was a wonderfully set platform where boys were given a candid platform to ask questions, and General Sahab was very patient and very thorough in his research, and he could tell everything with facts and figures. And I think such occasions, such interactions must be, conducted more often to make sure that it comes par with the standard or the understanding of a common man like us. Because I feel what army is doing, people don't know the 100th part of it. It's a big sacrifice. I have a long list of people whom I know, and their children were born after the martyrdom of their husbands, their fathers. And there is a long list of people who've been deployed elsewhere. They have not met their families. They didn't find a chance. I can fairly say this was a wonderful session, and I think people must get to know more about what great efforts Army is doing to this nation.